Okay, so I think I'm new here. Hi, everybody.
Hello, beautiful audience. Today we are live in colored. Based in Ghana, as you can see. Hello, beautiful audience. Today we are live in colored at Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, and I want to show you guys about a small view about how this university looks. Very. So thanks. So can we go and let me show you how it looks. This is one of the first universities in Africa and also the second based in Ghana, as you can see. This university is about all the science and technology. So my fellow subscribers or my fellow people, if you want the best university in Ghana, you can just apply at Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. And also you can go on their site on any internet platform and go and apply on it. So come on, let me show you them how it is. So come on. Nigeria is a country located in the western part of Africa and also the most populous in Africa. Also famous personality in Nigeria include Chinua Achebe, Aliko Dangote, the richest person in Africa. Also Westgate, Davido, Burna Boy, Yeje Okocha, Iwanu Kanu, Davido, Tiwa Savage, and also other famous personalities. The official language of Nigeria is English, and also other languages in Nigeria include we have the Tiv, we have the Edo, we have the Hausa, we have the Igbo, and also we have the Yoruba.
Okay, so I think I'm new here. Hi, everybody. Okay, so since we are talking about Nigeria, we can talk about Nigeria and then leave when they had independence, and then the meaning of their flag, and then the food they eat. You see, when you go to other countries, they have their food. Just like the way you come to Ghana, we have fufu and then other things. So Nigeria had its independence on 1st October 1960. And then the meaning of the flag, I think they have two greens at the side and then white in the middle. So the green is always about vegetation. Everywhere you go, when you see green, we always correlate it to vegetation. And then the white is for peace and unity. And then when you go to Nigeria, they have eba, semo, other foods I can't mention, but you know there is a northern side of the Nigeria too, which they also have their food. That's the Hausa people. They also have the Katsina and then a lot of people there. So yeah, I would just pause here and then wait for continue. Okay, so we have like 36 states in Nigeria. I don't know, it's like Ghana, we call it regions, but because Nigeria is big and then their land is kind of big, so for them they call it states. Yeah, so they have 36 states, and then in the 36 states we have a lot of tribes there. We have the Yoruba, the Igbo people, the Hausa, Fulani, CIP, I don't know how to pronounce that one, the Edo people, Kanuri people, Chamba, Ijao, Ebra, Nupe, a lot of them. So we have a lot of tribes in Nigeria, and then we have a lot of languages in Nigeria, and then a lot of indigenous foods there, like the local foods, they have a lot there, yeah.
Nigeria is a federal country which comprises of 36 states. Some include, you have the Ogun, you have the Delta, you have the Indo, you have the Rivers, you have Adamawa, you have Akwa Ibom, you have Lagos, etc. And its federal capital is Abuja, as people know, the same as the capital town of Nigeria. The national anthem of the people of Nigeria is "Arise, O compatriots, and their motto is faith and unity, peace and progress. Other sports activities in Nigeria include, we have the football, that is the soccer. We have the basketball, as people know. We also have the handball. We have volleyball, and also we have the table tennis. Also, the most productive region in Nigeria is the Niger Delta Basin, which encompasses of the 78 out of the 159 oil fields in Nigeria. President of Nigeria is Mahmud, and also the official currency is the Nigerian naira.
Okay, so I hope what you all watched was educative, and then I hope you all liked it. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe. And then please follow me on my Instagram handle on 2_NS2_. Okay, we'll surely meet in another video. Bye.
Okay, my fellow subscribers, try as possible to go and subscribe to my fellow YouTuber.
Yeah, kindly follow me at Zofao Mahmud. We would put it on the video there so you won't have any difficulty like searching. Yeah.
And also shout out to all my people, and shout out to you, Marco, shout out to Scott Mitch. And guys, please try as possible to subscribe to my fellow YouTuber.
Yes, please. I did it.
Thank you very much.
Okay, bye.